ने भारत के शुभ्रांशु सिंह को दुनिया के सबसे प्रभावशाली सीएमओ की लिस्ट में शामिल किया है, जहां पर शुभ्रांशु टाटा मोटर्स की कमर्शियल व्हीकल बिजनेस यूनिट के चीफ मार्केटिंग ऑफिसर हैं। सीएमओ शुभ्रांशु सिंह को फोर्ब्स ने उन लोगों की लिस्ट में शामिल किया है जो आज की दुनिया में मार्केटिंग की सबसे प्रभावशाली आवाज माने जाते हैं। शुभ्रांशु सिंह ने कल्चर के साथ जुड़ी समझ को एक ब्रांड को मजबूत बनाने वाले कैंपेन चलाए हैं, जहां पर टाटा मोटर्स की पहचान ही बदल गई है। आज टाटा मोटर्स कमर्शियल मोबिलिटी के क्षेत्र में सबसे बड़ा और भरोसेमंद नाम बन चुका है और इसका श्रेय शुभ्रांशु सिंह की स्ट्रैटेजी और सोच को जाता है।
Had the privilege of being named on the 2025 list of the Forbes Global Most Influential CMOs. It is again has become an institution that happens concurrently with the Cannes Lions Festivals of Creativity. It is testament to a lifetime that I have spent ever since 1999 in marketing, learning, sharing, and making sure that my work reflects the great urge that India has towards better ambition, more aspiration, and a real joy and belief in storytelling. I think it's also significant because it signals the fact that India, as the world's most populous and the youngest country in the world, has arrived because it is also the fastest growing large economy in the world. So again, I think it is a career lifetime that I have spent in marketing, and this is recognizing that, but also going further and beyond to do everything I can to further the cause of India's brands and India's marketing. It is a great privilege, and I am very honored to be on the inaugural board of the FE's Lions Foundation. The very purpose of the foundation is to bring together the two streams, effectiveness and the Lions Creativity program, at the collegiate level to drive inclusion, opportunity, and upskilling for those who are traditionally from the less included and the less privileged and the less than mainstream areas of the world. Also, as the only member from the Asia Pacific, in fact, I am the only member from the developing and emerging world, I find this to be a weighty responsibility to add our voice to the cause of better marketing.
ऑलराइट, चलिए इसी के साथ इस शो कॉर्पोरेट कनेक्शन को समाप्त करने का वक्त हो चला।